Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Halloween is around the corner. So today let's see how to make some Halloween special cream cheese frosted eggless cupcakes. These are so fun and interesting to make. So let's get started. First let's make the cream cheese frosting. Take a chilled bowl and chilled whisk. Add some chilled whipping cream into it and blend it. In between, add some sugar, add some cream cheese and whip it again. You have to blend it till you get these stiff peaks. Now our cream cheese frosting is ready. Let it keep refrigerated. Now we're gonna make these eggless cakes with some buttermilk. So into some milk, add some yogurt and make it a buttermilk. Add that into a large bowl. Add some vegetable oil and blend it. Now let's sift in all the dry ingredients: all-purpose flour, powdered sugar, some salt, baking soda, and some baking powder. Sift it and add it into the bowl. Now here I'm adding some milk powder which will give a nice flavor for the cupcakes. Mix everything and blend it for 2 to 3 minutes. Add few drops of vanilla essence and blend it again. Now our cupcake batter is ready. Scrape down the sides. So this is the consistency we are looking for. Now take a cupcake mold and add some cupcake liners. Here I'm using an ice cream scoop to pour the cake batter and start filling each liners. Fill only 3/4 because while baking it will puff up. Tap the tray on the countertop to get rid of all the air bubbles and bake this in a 180-degree preheated oven for 18 to 20 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Now keep these cupcakes on a cooling rack and let it cool down completely before we start frosting. Now to do the frosting, here I'm using a twist coupler, which is really helpful when you are doing different types of frosting with same color. In this you can easily change the nozzle without changing the entire piping bag. So first I put some cream cheese frosting on top of a cupcake. And using chocolate ganache, I'm drawing 2 eyes, a large mouth with some stitches. Our first cute and creepy cupcake is ready. Now let's put some chocolate ganache on the second one. So here I'm using some thick chocolate ganache. Now add 2 dots with the frosting and 2 small dots with the chocolate ganache. Now I change the nozzle for the white frosting and add these bandages on the cupcakes. Just draw these bandages all over the face, just like this. This is also super easy. Add a few drops of fake blood with homemade strawberry jam. To get this liquid consistency, heat the jam for 2 to 3 minutes before you add it. Now our second Halloween cupcake is also ready. Let's make the third one. Add some frosting on top. Just draw 3 lines and add the jam on the lines. Now for the next design, we will add some jam inside the cupcake. So cut out a small portion from the top and add around half a teaspoon of jam inside the cupcake. Add the frosting on top and add some sugar glasses on top of it. Just melt some sugar and let it settle and break it. Now add the jam on top of the glass and also the cupcakes. This looks super creepy, isn't it? So here it is. All our Halloween cupcake designs are ready. All these are super simple and very easy to make. You can also include your kids to make these designs with you. So let's celebrate this Halloween with our family. Be safe and be happy. So do try out these simple Halloween cupcakes and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and watch more amazing videos from our channel. Thank you.